Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2009 D22 Nissan Navara STR. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 4th month 1997 to the 8th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a D22 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 4-wheel drive manual transmission. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand front door. Aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate. Tow bar. Right hand tail light, 16-inch aftermarket steel wheel, right hand rear door, right hand front door, right hand power door mirror, right hand front guard appears to have no damage, aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel. Driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy manual transmission center console, tidy manual transmission gear stick, and factory AC controls. Has a tidy interior mirror, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.